G'day guys, in this video I'm going to be enabling TPM to install Windows 11 on my B550M motherboard. So to begin with, I'm going to load up into the BIOS. Right now I'm in easy mode. I'm going to go load optimize defaults. I have also updated this to the BIOS version that does support Windows 11 by default, but I found it still doesn't quite do it. So now I'm going to press F10 to go save and exit. Yes, that's going to save it. And what we're going to want to do from here is go back into the BIOS. I'm pressing delete on my keyboard. So I'm just still tapping that. And ignore the phone behind me. And we've gone back into the BIOS here. Next up, I want to press F2 to go into advanced mode. And I want to go to settings. I want to go to miscellaneous. I want to make sure that TPM is enabled. So it is enabled here. Here. Next up, I want to enable secure boot. So I'm going to go to boot. I'm going to disable CSM, and I'll press F2 again, and I'm going to go save and exit by pressing F10. So that is changing this setting here. I'll go yes. It's going to restart once more. I'm going to keep hitting delete on my keyboard, and that should load up to the next section in the BIOS we want to get to. Get loading up, loading in. So I want to also enable XMP so I get actual proper performance. So I'm going to go to that, enable XMP profile. I'll make the RAM run at full speed. I'm going to go F2 to go into advanced mode, and I want to go to, where are we? Down to boot, secure boot, enabled, go custom, then I've changed it to standard. Yes, install keys. Retry without saving. Yes. And now I'm going to keep hitting delete on the keyboard once more. And I want to make sure that secure boot is enabled. So right now, if I had TPM enabled and CSM enabled, it still wouldn't let me install Windows 11. It still wouldn't fit the right criteria. So now it's loaded straight back into advanced mode. I do want to change that back to 3600 MHz RAM. I want to check under miscellaneous. That's all looking good. I'll check under boot. CSM support disabled. Secure boot enabled. Enabled. Active. So right now I should be alright. If not, we need to restore the factory keys and wipe it from there. But from here, I'm going to load up Windows. I'm going to tell it to boot off my flash drive, which is here, running Windows 11. And from here I should be able to install Windows. Hope that helps, and I'll see you later. Bye.